Alright, in this video, you're gonna see something you've probably never seen before. First up, what do you think this is? Maybe a kitchen sponge? Maybe styrofoam? Nope, that's bread. It was easy, right? Now, let's look at an actual kitchen sponge. It looks like some kind of colorful coral. Just beautiful, full of texture, and totally different from bread under the microscope. Alright, let's take it up a notch. This is something many people are scared of, a needle going into skin. But hey, when you see it like this, it's actually kind of cool. And honestly, it doesn't even hurt. Now, what are these weird spaghetti things? Any guesses? Turns out it's just a toothbrush. If we hit 50 likes, I'll show you a clean toothbrush and one that's been used for 3 months. Let's finally see why dentists say to change it every month. Okay, now take a look at these tiny shiny crystals. They look like diamonds at first, right? But no, it's salt or maybe sugar. Can you tell the difference under the microscope? Drop your guess in the comments. And finally, what does this look like? Some kind of crushed tobacco? Maybe sawdust? Nope again. It's just a tea from a regular tea bag. Try it yourself. You'll be surprised. That's it for now, but man, that was fun. Smash the like button, hit subscribe, and stick around for more weird and awesome close-ups. See you next time.